Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, as you probably imagine, we are going to be working on those wheels that I bought. I know some of you guys wanted me to keep them chrome, some guys want to change color, but we are going black. Black. Alright, so I've got the wheels out here in the sun. Get them a little more in the sun, so I want them to dry. The first step is to actually clean them. They are really dirty, both inside and outside. So I gotta get them perfectly clean before I do anything to them. I got more weight here. Perfect. Also going to need tire shine. Alright, so I got my tools, pressure washer. Since they're off the car, I'm gonna take advantage of that, do the front and the back. Got my different wheel cleaners here, sunlight, water. Let's hook it up and go. Hey guys, real quick, when I hit 1,000 subscribers a couple of months ago, I said I was going to give away a pair of socks, and I never announced the winner, and that's because I've been super busy and I haven't actually run the drawing yet, but I do still have the socks, and since people have been asking about it, I figured I'll actually do it here on this video rather than just contact the person privately. So I'm going to put all the names into this random generator and pick one. So here we go. Alright guys, here I am on the computer. This is a list of everybody who commented on a video of mine during 2019 before I hit my subscriber count. You'll see the channel name, and then this is the video that they first commented on. So I've copied, let me just do this so you can kind of see, watch me do it here. So there's no shenanigans. I don't think too many people are worried about shenanigans. There we go. And then we're going to paste them all over here into this random generator. There you go. And we're going to hit pick one. And whoever wins, their name will show up right there. So drum roll, please. Ben Hyatt. Ben Hyatt. All right. Now, let's see. Which video, Ben, your name sounds familiar, Ben. I want to say I've seen your comment on a couple of videos. But let's see where we can find you. What video did you first comment on? Let's do a search, see where you came up with. Hyatt. All right, like I did, I was getting the C all the way down, but getting the C8. So you commented on my video about me getting the C8, which was the one that really kind of pushed me over that edge to 1,000 subscribers. You see how many comments I got on that video just before. So Ben Hyatt, I'll be contacting you through YouTube to get your information, so be on the lookout for an email. I'll ship these out to you as soon as possible once I get your information on where to send it. Also, be thinking about maybe a 10,000 subscriber giveaway. I don't know what it'll be. It'll take me a while to get there, I get that, but once I get there, I'll give away something. So be thinking about that and give me some good ideas. Anyway, back to checking out these Corvette wheels. So for you guys, I'm going to do just an epic montage of fixing up these wheels. Ready, go. welcome back. These are the tires and wheels that I just took off, and I now have my new wheels and tires on the Corvette. So this is what they look like. All black on black Plastidip Grand Sport wheels. I'm gonna take her for a spin, see if she still runs. Let's go. But first, cold start. Looks so good. Oh, it looks amazing. The way those red brakes just pop on that all black. Don't mind that the car is actually kind of dirty. Look at that. Look at that. It looks awesome. Alright, let's go take it for a spin. Alright, this is the first time I've driven the car in a couple of months probably. If you recall back to a previous video, I had a lot of problems going on with the car. The wheels was the one that was keeping me from being able to drive the car the most. But I've got a few other things I've got to correct. So it feels good to just get the car back out on the road. And hopefully now I can get on to fixing the other things. The remote fob still doesn't really work. I've got to plug it into the dash over here. Still got the issue with the clear bra on the hood. So it's getting there, but car still runs like a champ. So it's only got 60-something thousand miles on it. So now I've just got to love it again. So that's pretty much the end of this video. Thanks for going on the journey with me to go get the wheels and then coming back and putting Plastidip on the wheels. That was a heck of a challenge. Didn't expect it to be as difficult as it was. And now I've got some sweet Grand Sport black wheels on this sweet blacked out C6 Corvette. So I'm loving it. Anyway, until next time, I'll see ya. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, whatever you need to do. Adios.